G'day everybody, it's Rowan Atkinson from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to remove a stereo from a 2012 Landcruiser Sahara. Now the tools you will need today is a plastic spudger and a 10mm socket. Alrighty, let's get started. Now the first parts you'll need to remove are these guys here. They are just held in with clips, and you'll just need to pry them out with your fingers most of the time, like that, and that can just go aside. Then we'll get the other side as well. Ours is supposed to be loose because we've already pre-done this, but okay, that one can go down there. Okay, so there will be one screw that's held in there. We'll need to remove that one. That's where your 10mm comes in handy. And there'll be one on the exact opposite side. And from there, this whole part will come out. And once again, we can just leave it slide down the side there for a second. We'll do the same with the other side. And we'll just slide that down there. So now that we've got those out, we'll need to remove these air vents. Now we've pre-removed ours, but you'll need to get something that won't damage your dashboard, like a plastic spudger, and you'll need to give it a fair amount of force and take it completely out. It is connected with an electrical cable, so you can unplug that if you like, just to get it out of the way by pressing the middle pin and pulling it out. I'm going to let that up there for the time being. And this one over here is exactly the same, and I'm just going to leave it hang down beside because it's not really in our way. Okay, now there is this guy up here which is quite tricky to get out. We've got ours loosened, but you'll need to get your plastic spudger under and give it a fair amount of force. Give as much force as you can up rather than leverage, just so that you don't scratch the top of your stereo. And you'll need to pry it all the way around. It is held in with these clips, and sometimes you think, well, it doesn't want to come. It will come. Now that's going to expose 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolts. The top two are plastic thread and the bottom ones are metal thread. You don't want to mix them up. Try and remember where they go. Now if we've done our job right, this whole radio will just pull out, and you grab it with both hands and like that. And when I say radio, it is virtually just a screen. Now in order to send it off to Supertech, you'll need to remove all the electric cables by pressing that middle pin and pulling it out, and doing that with all the cables. Okay, so that's the screen part of the equation. Now if you've got a screen issue, you can send that off to Supertech Electronics for repair. Okay, so now we're going to remove the brains of the organisation, the brains of the whole stereo, and that's this part here. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 screws you'll need to remove. Once again, 10mm. Okay, so we've got all 4 screws out. So we're going to remove this bottom part here. That's just held in with clips, and that can just sit there. That's not going to be in the way. Once again, grab the unit with both hands and give it a pull. And we're going to remove all these clips. Some of them are just press the middle pin and pull towards the front of the car. So this guy's got a little clip right inside, and you'll need to press the clip in, and once you've done that, that will slide out like that and unplug. And these guys, clips can be very hard. Okay, that unit is ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.